What's up, y'all? I'm back. Okay, so based on these like little base print lines on these last couple, I'm gonna go with the conclusion that I'm having a nozzle clog. Let's see, is there a way I can try to zoom in for you? Oh, too much. So you see how gosh, it's hard to show it on this camera. Oh, there you go. Yeah. So you see how there's like these little like notches, right? They look kind of like little barbs. So to me, that's indicative that the nozzle is extruding, and it's hitting a whole bunch of points of contact, but the filament's running too thin. And I'm not running it super hot. Like I'm running it, maybe 15 or 20 over 200. So yeah, I believe that then this is indicative of under extruding, and it's happened in the last few prints. And then you can even see right here, let's see, can I get a good focus? Yeah, you can even see right here on the initial line that this initial line, just the same, is under extruding as well on the entry out. And so to me, yeah, I believe that it's doing that. So I'm gone ahead and cleared out my extruder. I'm going to try to clean that up. I noticed the little bit of filament that I pulled off of the black spool that I cut. Is this it here? Yeah, it is. Okay. I noticed that, yeah, the teeth were really just kind of gripping in really hard right here on this. See, like it's just really hard, but even further up in, it wasn't gripping so bad. So to me, I mean, maybe that could have been because I was holding it, but I don't necessarily think, I mean, I'm not quite sure that that was the case. I'm actually quite shocked, really, that the last print completed the way it did. Because, like I said, I've just been having problems. Maybe, perhaps, the last little bit of percent when I switched over. No, but see, the thing is, I was using different print settings, so I'm not sure. I don't believe I deleted the last G-codes I had, so I can go ahead and run those again. That would be probably a good experiment to figure out. But yeah, yeah. I wonder if this needs to be like kind of on a steady maintenance cycle. So I basically did one single print that took about 3 days, okay? And then before that, I had a couple of miscellaneous prints that took, between like 3 to 12 hours or so, like between. And so yeah, I would very much like to but it's like I've heard about these things being good to go for like months and months, so probably not a very effective way to use my brush, huh? Let's see, my toothbrush would probably be nice, wouldn't it, for this kind of task? Maybe ostensibly. Okay. Does any of this even really matter what I'm doing here? Like, felt weird. I did something. Oh, okay. Didn't like it, and then I liked it. Alright, so I'm still kind of in this whole little Purge-More spot and section, so I'm going to go ahead and get that going. $200 grams of filament. Yeah, come on, let's get it going. Oh, but now see, this has the same little like, oh, never mind. This PLA has like ridges all up and along it, it seems like. Yeah. Or it might be that this is what I like kind of had in there for the whole time, and so It's just the backflow of it. And if that's the case, then that would just be indicative that, yeah, it actually is going to have teeth. Like that there's going to be teeth marks on the filament. Oh wow, it feels nice and toasty. You overheating? That's what it is? He said, me no likey, too much worky. Taskmaster, too much worky, me no likey. Yeah, that's what you're telling me. Printer, I understand. I'm sorry. Oh, there we go, I made it. Alright. Purge more. There it goes. Something's coming. Here, sorry. Let me see what I see, right? See, it's not really shown much, but that's it. Lost it. Purge more. Oops. I'm gonna put you back down over here next to the airsoft blower, huh? Guard that for me, would you? Thanks. Come on. Alright. A little bit of stuff's coming out, but you know, I need more. See more? Huh. Here. I'm gonna turn this way. Huh. Purge more. Oh, look at that. Okay. Yeah, it's clogged. That's what it is. Huh, okay. Continue. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this nozzle up all the way to like 235, 240 maybe. 245. Yeah, I think the nozzle's clogged. That's what's going on. It's a good thing to figure that out. Well, darn, dude. I guess that means I should probably go on ahead and reload the G code of the old stuff on here, and just so I can actually know that it could work, maybe. Because maybe it works, and that would be nice. To like have speedy prints, you know. How did it do that? Maybe I think I lost it. I don't know what to do. Well, y'all give up on everything. Life's meaningless. The SD card is missing. I don't know what to say or to do now. I don't know how to live my life or carry forward. You guys think I'm joking? I'm dead serious. How could you let this happen? Oh man. Oh man. Oh, hey, huzzah! Here it is. We found it. Huzzah! All hope is not lost. Thank goodness. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah. Look. Okay. Cool. Change filament. What? Now it's going backwards. Oh, it's gone. Okay. Purge some more, please. Yeah. Purge some more. Okay, this isn't working. Let's try, motion, move axis, move Z, move 10 millimeters. Okay. Move the Y. Mesh it a whole bunch for me, please. Whoa, easy, buddy. It's getting a little overzealous. Oops. Okay, so I'm gonna try, because to me this is indicative that the extruder is actually running fine. So it's not the extruder that's the issue. It's likely gotta be the filament or the hot end. Yeah, so I believe there's like a clog somewhere. So I'm gonna try to get this figured out. Okay. Alright, so first things first, let's just clear this out of my way, please. Thanks. It's still hot. Okay. Alright, let's change the nozzle even higher. Let's try to change it to 255. It should literally have like a liquid spurt of the PLA now. Motion, move axis, extruder. Let's move the extruder 1 millimeter. Okay, so mean I'm just lowering my nozzle and bed default configuration settings just because, you know, it's like I keep turning it up and it keeps turning itself. I keep turning it down and it keeps turning itself back up, like for these tests, and so yeah. Okay. Main, change filament. Wait, does this grommet come off? No, it does not. I wonder if I can use this. Probably not. Oh, there we go. All right. That seems absolutely terrifying as a man, but that's it. So it's like a needle with a spring on it, and so you hold the spring in and you just kind of stick the needle up through the nozzle. So I'm going to try to purge this and see if this will do anything for me. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Okay. And I see white filament coming out. Okay, purge more. Okay, cool. That's cool with me. Wait, what's that though? Purge more. Okay. So we're learning together, huh? I don't know, maybe I'm doing this the wrong way. Maybe the actual right way is I'm supposed to... Nah, because I would think you'd need the hot end to be hot. So... Oh, that's me. That noise is the fan. Okay. Excuse me. Yeah, I'm just doing the procedure. There we go. There we go. Okay, cool, cool. Yeah, awesome. You see that? It's good. We got it free. Woo! Alright. Cool. Okay. Continue. Something's wrong. Hearing like static crackling noises. Okay, I should quickly try to run the Starscream print again. Oof. Oh, that's wild. Okay. Yeah. Print from card, refresh, Starscream, print. Whoa, look at that! I've been looking for this forever. Well, not forever, but it's been missing and it was underneath the print bed the whole time. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay. Alright. What an adventure. Unclogging the printer. First for everything, huh? Yeah, I've not gotten this far, but I mean, it would make sense that this would occur, you know? And I get it, so... Like, I think what was happening was, the extruder thing was happening, right? Where, So I was making clicking noise in the extruder, and I believe that was here, let me just put it. The extruder, it was making clicking noise, and when that happened, I wasn't sure what it was. But now, yeah, at this moment, I'm thinking what it was is that it was that this was clogged, and so because this was clogged, it was like feeding it, but it wasn't like giving it an adequate feed. And so, yeah, that probably, like, that happened kind of right here is when I started noticing that noise. But if you ask me, I mean, this to me is scaffolding. This isn't... Oh. No, this is not scaffolding. See, this is a failed completed print. It failed literally right at the 99% mark. Yeah, this should have been like... You know, like, see how these are smoothed? This should have been smoothed, but it's not. It's like right there, right at the end of the run. Oh well. All right, where are we at with time? Oh, what am I saying? We're at the time. I have 200 minutes. I deleted everything on the card, so that's good to go. But I am at 6% battery. So there's that. Oof, that is way down here. Yeah, I think maybe this is, I don't understand why, because this says 60 degrees. Like, but I would think, well, I don't know what 60 degrees Celsius and Fahrenheit is, because I was going to say, I can still touch this when it's at 60, and it's like, no problem. It's nice and toasty. Yeah. It makes a warm bum bum for the parts. It's nice. Alright, so what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? That says it's a net weight of 200. I've probably not spent hardly anything with that. So I would say I've easily got maybe 160. And I think it's 112. I think I looked at the amount. I think it was 112. So, and this is easily like maybe 400. No clogging. They lied to me. They lied to me. They lied to me. Yeah. Definitely clogged. But honestly, like, it was fine. Like, it printed for 3 days. It's fine. Like, that's okay. Extruder heating. So it's still trying to heat up to 215. Okay. I wonder if me running it like consistently warm like that is what messed it up. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna keep you around for a bit. I guess I will start to take this apart. See? It just snaps right off. It's nice. Yeah, see, this is all structure, like support. Included with every free Frankenmint sculpture. Airsoft lower. Doesn't this look cool? This looks like an octopus or a spider. These are neat. Wow, this feels like a tank. This is solid. I had my reservations, but not now. Yeah. Ah, you can't destroy that. Wow. Not bad. Not bad at all. It's a beautiful airsoft lower. A little hex locking nut. But how do I lock it? Oh, just a regular little locking washer probably. So you got all this space here. Oh, there it goes. Come on, let's go. Oh. Oh yeah, look, see, that's way better. Okay, excellent. Yeah, so yeah, there's a clog for sure. Now I'll admit, I did change the slicer settings to something else, so now I need to try to run the fast slicer and see if that would have been good. This should take 20 minutes to run. But yeah, see, that's okay, excellent. So there you have it, folks. That right there is how you clear a clog for your printer. Look at the little white donut it's making. And this is going to be a crown for Starscream, and I'm going to just go ahead and run the lower as well, with the correct rail system. This is exciting. All right, y'all. Well, oh right. Wait. Okay. So, right before in the video, I was talking about Print Shoot Repeat's 3D printer settings that he suggested for airsoft parts. This was not printed with those settings. This was printed with the original settings that were suggested for this. Right? Remember, this is the first one, right? This was with that first iteration. So to do this, I did triangles. I believe I used a build overhang ratio of like 72%. So what that means is for angles greater than 72%, 90 degrees being the ground, right? Like perpendicular from the ground. If the angle is greater than 70 degrees, build a support structure for it. and the support structure for this was going to be a tree structure. And then I believe I set it up to 4%, maybe. I believe I set the support density to 4%, and then this is set to 100% infill. I don't remember what I used. I don't remember if I used concentric, or I think I may have used helio, maybe. Yeah, or no, oh wait, or it might have been gyroidal. Gyroidal, I don't know. Yeah. The last things you're going to need to consider is with these devices, or with this style of printing, FFF or FDM, you're going to always have weakness along this axis, whatever plane it was printed on. For this, it's the same, right? And so what that means is the forces that it can take along this edge are always going to be weaker. If you were to take some sandpaper, or like an angle grinder, there you go, and kind of run it along this way, it's going to wear way faster by virtue of the plastic and the layers of buildup between it. The strength between the layers is always going to be the weakest point within this type of manufacturing, this additive manufacturing. Just impressions on the print quality. I would say it's pretty superb. I do see a couple of spots like this is not consistent with that, and or that just might be my eyes are making it that it's not consistent, and it is consistent. Let me take a closer look. No, a little imperfection happened there, but that's fine. Like, it's no problem at all. This looks like an imperfection, but this is actually intentional. This is a 3-dimensional bevel outward. This right here was probably meant to be gentler, but it didn't work as well. But at the same time, this is going to be hidden by the handle, so it's no problem. All right. I think. Oh, gotta be careful here. Oh, I don't want to lose that. Okay. Oh, it's in here. Excellent. Yeah. So to talk about this, I was originally gonna 3D print more of these P320 magazine catches, right? Like, because I lost it, and so I was like, oh, I got this 3D printer, why don't I just print one so I've always got one forever, right? Not the magazine release, which I am shocked and surprised. I did find somebody made one. No, the catch pen. So, fine. There we go. This piece right here. Yeah, I broke it because, like, I'm a lefty, right? I'm wrong-handed, and I like it. Oh wow, my fingernails are disgusting. Ugh. Ugh. Ignore that. Yeah, so I'm a lefty, and yeah, this isn't real. This is a pellet pistol. Yeah, like I wanted to switch it, right? But it didn't work because these magazines. Here, I'll grab one for you. Or are they both loose? Is there a loose one for me? No, I think I put them both away. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, I found out today. I've come to learn you're not supposed to be doing this. So, story time. Oops. So, I once had a rat that tried to come into the garage, right? And so, like, I only had this Daisy BB gun, but it was actually out of commission. It was not working at the time, and so because I had nothing, I just had to go right, and like scare the rat away. Felt really goofy about that whole situation. And so I told myself, okay, I want something that I don't need to have to worry about pumping it 1 or 2 times. It's just ready to go, like a duty, non-lethal pistol to be able to just take out vermin. Just like, oh, snap, pop, 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 right? And so I bought this, like I said, with the intention of just having it to just kind of on command use it. And I found out today that no, you cannot do that, because when you leave the CO2 in these, it makes the seal go bad. And this has been like outside here in the garage, and so it's been exposed to cold air, like pretty much 40, 50 degrees at all times, sort of thing. And so yeah, I've inadvertently messed that up. However, like I had said, the intention was for that or non-lethal duty like pistol, you know? So I could just kind of use it at all times and have more than one shot or one pump, and that's it. What I've ended up doing is, yeah, see, let's see, here's the microphone. But it's really hard to, you wouldn't be able to tell anyway, because we got Mr. Furnace over there running, so he's gonna cancel you out. But anyhow, you're just gonna have to trust me that you cannot hear the air leaking out of this anymore. And the reason why is because I did an amateur hour move, and I decided to use this 3-in-1 non-silicone oil. It's petroleum-based oil, supposedly. And do with it what you will. I've heard conflicting and confusing information that you're not supposed to do this because this can destroy the seals. But then I've also heard that you use petroleum-based lubricants for keg seals, which are also the same style of like O-rings, supposedly. Anyhow, using some 3-in-1 oil kind of right here on the little tip of the pellet gun, and then reloading it seemed to like alleviate the issue, at least for this one. This one still makes a little bit of hissing noise. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to practice and train with these for a lot more now, since I've got this actually replaced. I was intending to buy replacement seals, and then these are straightforward. You simply so it's this way outward. So yeah, you simply just, you know, take your brass punch that we found in here earlier, and you just kind of punch out those 2 pins, and then you hold this, and it's basically spring tension. There's a little spring in there, and so you do that with this removed and empty, and then from there there's going to be an aluminum ring and 2 small seals, little O-rings, a bigger one and a smaller one. My understanding is you replace the O-rings, and then this will be good to go. Something I thought was, oh, you hear that? That sounded pretty weak. I think it's that this is almost out of juice. So at first I thought, well, the culprit is the gun. It's not these, because these don't make any sort of hissing noise when they're outside of the gun, right? But then looking in the gun, that little brass spot right there, that's it. There's no sort of like seal here. It like injects itself into the, you know, the cartridge in here. And so yeah, like I believe that therefore, yeah, these are bad, and like I'm gonna have to replace those. I've probably run maybe, so one of these is older than the other. I think I've probably run about 400 on one and maybe 100 on the other. So that's probably, yeah, that's pretty much how old it is. My understanding is these should be good up to about 1,000 rounds before you're gonna want to like rerun some more pellet oil in them. I don't have pellet oil because I'm poor. I like to spend my money on all sorts of random stuff that I enjoy, and so I don't have a nice little emergency fund for these random things like this. And then there's other projects on the horizon that you're gonna get to enjoy. Yeah, we do it. I do it Dude, for the clout, right? What is this? What is... Oh, okay. I saw what looked like some oil or something just like leaking, and that was no good. Yeah, I think that pretty much covers it. That's all I pretty much wanted to go over for now. Yeah, let's, oh. Before I go, let's take a look at how... Oh. So, the crown looks nice, but that is definitely not Starscream sized. That is way too tiny for Starscream. Womp womp. Sorry, Starscream. So what do I do? I'm gonna go ahead and print the I'm gonna go ahead and print the corrected one, not the speed run one, because the corrected one was still like 17 hours as opposed to the speed run one was, I think, 15 hours. And it's here right now, so this is the good spot. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And like I said, I think this is just enough filament to be able to run a 100 and something thing. So yeah, why don't I just get block 43 pellet lower in white. Alright, that's all I've got for y'all. I hope you had a great time. If you like it, please go ahead and hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. I always love comments and feedback. I'm willing to work with y'all. Thank you so much, and have a great time. This is Frankenmint out.